Today we're going to take a lesson from this book and I'm going to give you one simple trick you can use to instantly become more persuasive after this. Hey everybody, welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney and this is all about helping you to get better results online. And today is going to be a very short video because my dad's in the hospital. He's having surgery on his brain. So I'm wanting to get out of here and go see him as soon as possible. But something occurred to me during this scary time. Let me grab this book. So I'm going to talk about this for a second. This is Pre-Suasion by Robert Cialdini, and it's the follow-up to Influence, Science and Practice, which has become a kind of Bible of the digital marketing community, and rightly so. In it, Robert Cialdini talks about the 6 core principles of persuasion and influence. And in this book, he adds a 7th. And I'm going to talk about that because it's unity. It's actually the perception of unity. And there is no stronger perception of unity than family. So this is why, no matter what is going on in our lives, we can always let this digital marketing stuff seep in, right? And that's exactly why I was thinking about this book, because of unity, because of family. And Cialdini, he did one study where he told students that if their parents complete a survey, they'd get 1 extra point. He reports that participation in that experiment increased 5-fold because of the family element. So I think if you want to persuade someone or become more influential, if you can get them to think about how things relate to their family, you will have an increased chance of making that sale or getting them to opt into your email list or taking the action that you want them to. He's actually got another example for you. I'm going to read this off the screen. He cited an example from Warren Buffett when he wrote a letter dealing with the future of Berkshire Hathaway. So instead of describing what was going to happen, Warren Buffett invoked this unity and the family element to help things go in his direction. He wrote, "I will tell you what I would say to my family today if they asked me about Berkshire's future." So that one little statement, that single sentence, helped Warren Buffett become a lot more persuasive when he was writing that shareholder letter. So that's a couple of examples of how this can be used. But Cialdini also notes that unity doesn't just stop with family. We can also create unity amongst a wide variety of different things like ethnicity, location, geography, where somebody is based. And this is a really powerful one, shared interests. So if you and your prospects have a shared interest or, listen, a shared mission, then you're going to be instantly more persuasive as a result. So that's just something for you to think about. So maybe you found this useful, and if you have, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel too, because it will be awesome to have you here. Hit the little notification bell so you get another one of these on Monday. So thank you very much for checking this out. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again on Monday. Take care.